So today I'm going to show you how to dig a nick. Nah, not that one. One that'll get the water off the trail. So when I built this part, I knew during the rainy season it was going to be a swampy, boggy pit of despair. So that's why we did the log ride thing there. And it actually worked really good. It elevates a tread out of the mud. But what has happened is, here's the normal path that people will take. So the leaves get brushed to the sides, either side of the trail, and the water can't get out. So then you end up with a problem like that, where you've got leaves pretty much damming up the outer edges of the trail, and the water doesn't have anywhere to go. So that log is there on purpose as a choke, as a speed bump, more or less, because right after that it merges with another trail, and I don't want any crashes. So I'm gonna have to nick whatever side the water is gonna go to. I'm gonna have to lower that slightly so I can actually push it down this way. What I want to do here is, before I start removing this, I want to lower that and kind of make my path where I want the water to end up. So I'm going to lower this whole section in here, and the water will kick off and go that way. Okay, so now I'll give my water somewhere to go, and it'll open up here soon. See what that did? That's not gonna go far because it didn't go back too far, but hopefully when this fills up, you'll have a place to go after that. So really what we've done so far is just dug a drain. The actual nick will be partially on the trail itself. That's the difference. So this is a drain. What we're going to do starting now that we're into the tread of the trail, we're going to lower that outside edge just slightly to lead into the drain. And that's how you do it. It rained all night. Like, not a steady drip, like a freaking dump. All night long. So I came out here first thing. I was planning on it anyway, but I can in real time demonstrate what I'm visualizing, what I'm imagining to happen when you build trails. So this is why you want grade reversals, and you want to make sure you're clearing drains. So behind me you can see that's the trail. It's turned into a stream because the leaf litter on the edge isn't letting it get out. So it's finding the first see that low spot right there and kicking off. But I'm gonna go up ahead and knock it off early because I don't want it to travel down the trail like it is. It's finding a way out, which is good, but I want to kick it off earlier. So right here, the leaves tell you what you need to know. You can see, you can literally see the water bang up against this and then keep going. So it's meeting resistance here, and it's blocked up by this. So I might be able to just do it by hand without even needing a hoe. Just taking that little bit out, and look where the water's going now. So right up there where this tree is, another low part. So there's actually a drain in front of that, but then all the stuff coming from here, it's getting in there and it's getting trapped and then coming out this way. So this is more of actually a maintenance issue with the leaves and stuff. This is just typical maintenance that you'll have to do in sections. And so if you come out here after a really good rain, you're gonna see where your trouble spots are. So you can see right here, the water's coming from up here, and it could continue right through and be fine, but it's getting stuck. So we're just going to encourage it to keep washing off. So now it's getting in the trail and running down. Water's not even getting to this anymore because I dropped that section. So I dropped this whole edge here and tapered it a bit. And now the water's coming off full meter before it got to here. I probably only went an inch into the dirt, and that's enough to just carry it on over the trail. So there's water coming from up the hill in front of this tree. So that's getting in here and coming off. And there's water coming in behind it, a lot of it. So I nicked all the way into there. And then I just used the side of the hoe. So I don't want to make it in one like trench, because that's just going to erode and get deeper. So I spread it out. So I scraped all the way into the middle of the tread, lowered that edge, and then smoothed this out so the rain would sheet over it. So by sheet I mean like it's coming in like a big uniform flow instead of like a focused thing, right? So I spread it out. This won't turn into a massive pit. That is a textbook nick right there. So now you know what to do next time you do a dig day at the local mountain bike club. I did that too. This was just the leaves. I didn't even have to touch the dirt, and it cleared that off. But I could be doing this for ages. Just encourage the water to, you just look where it's going, and then like if you're not here and the water is flowing, just look at the leaves and it'll tell you what you need to know. So you can see these stayed put, but then right here to the edge, and there was a pile of leaves here and the water was puddling here. So I just kicked those leaves out and you're good. So yeah, there's your nick. So next time you're at a public dig day with the local mountain bike club, you can lead the charge. When somebody needs to clear drain or add nicks, you'll know what to do.